Do you know the difference between your offer and your sales message? If not, stay with me because that's what I'm going to teach you today. Welcome back. Thank you for listening or watching if you're watching this on YouTube. So, what is the difference in your offer and your sales message? Some of you are probably like, that sounds like the same thing to me. No, it is different, and you need to understand the difference. They do work together, but it is different. Similar to yesterday's episode where we were talking about sales versus marketing. They work together, but they're still two different and separate things. So your offer is what you are presenting. Like if you have let's just say you have a course to sell. Well, if you've got one product to sell, one course, say it's my how to stand out. How to stand out when you're selling the same products. That's one marketing course. Well, in order to make that an offer, you could throw in my ClickFunnels basic training or my MLM Marketing Machine course. You could throw those in, or the how to podcast, how to storytell. You could throw those in and make it an actual offer. So let me explain that better. Let's say that you create a product. So let's say, let's just use the ClickFunnels as an example. Let's say you're an affiliate for ClickFunnels. So you sell them the software. That's ClickFunnels software. You use that to make sales funnels if you're not aware. So the people that are buying that, they have new problems now they didn't have before. They need to know how to use the software, how to build a funnel, what to say on the funnel, how to create a sales message. So there's all these follow-up problems that they didn't have before they had the ClickFunnels account. You know, how to set things up, how to get your domain, how to get Stripe connected to your ClickFunnels account. All these things you didn't have before. So if they purchase ClickFunnels from you, you could give them the digital product like my basic training on how to use ClickFunnels. Now it's an offer. It's not just, okay, here's the affiliate thing, but if you buy it from me, you also get the full training, and I'll give you a free call, or at a small fee, a coaching call to make sure you get your domain set up right, you get your payment plan set up right, you get your autoresponder set up correctly. I'll do a call for you for 50% what I normally charge. So now it's an offer. So you have two choices when you're talking about offers. You can either race to the bottom, which is being the cheapest, which is never the way you want to go, because the big companies can run you out of business quickly. So you don't want to race to the bottom and be the cheapest, because somebody can always undercut you. You want to race to the top and be the most expensive. And I'm not saying you just charge the most for the exact same product. I'm saying you sell them offers, and now you've increased the value of your product. So instead of them just buying your How to Stand Out course, now they're getting the offer, which raises the value of that, and now they're willing to pay the more expensive price because they're getting all the other bonuses in with it. That's an offer in a nutshell. So you create digital products because it doesn't cost you anything to deliver on those. It's only your time in creating it. And you can always sell that same product in another manner, meaning that you can sell it standalone, or you can combine it with something else and get a fee for it. So just because you create as a bonus where you're giving it for free with this item, when they purchase this one item, doesn't mean you can't ever make money off of the product. Just think outside the box. So start looking at everything that you have created and start matching some things up and giving things away as bonuses to make your offers. You can interview people. So like on my podcast, I could interview someone on how to create offers, and then I could give that away with the How to Stand Out course. So it's a digital product. Doesn't cost me anything to deliver it, and really anything to make it. So always look at using digital products to give your things away. Okay, now let's shift gears and let's talk about the sales message. So now we understand what an offer is, and we've got that created. So now how do you create your sales message? Well, the sales message, you need to decide what is the big question that people are asking, or what is the big problem that your product will solve. And then, like Albert Lasseter, he's the father of modern advertising. This is what he said: the product that will not sell without advertising will not sell profitably with advertising. So that means if you have a product that you think is the best product ever, don't make this mistake of rushing out there and paying for Facebook ads and YouTube ads and whatever other ads, Google ads, whatever else you're doing, if you haven't proven that the market will buy it without the ads. So you want to get that under your belt first, because if the market wants it, then you have something that you can buy your ads on the back end and you can scale it at that point. And the money that you get from selling it up front, then you can put that money into your advertising cost. So you need to make sure that your sales message is awesome. So when you're creating your message, you need to know that people care about their achievement and they care about the transformation that they will have. So what results are you giving them? So let's do some examples here. Let's say that one is for achievement. It became clear to me that my offer was not for everybody. This is talking about network marketing. It became clear to me that my offer was not for everybody, because everybody does not have the same goals. So I created an automated system that allows me to generate leads daily. So that's achievement right there. And that's solving a problem that all of us have in network marketing. We all run out of leads. So to know that I don't ever have to do that sales pitch to anybody else, I can get my leads automated online, and I can get them coming in daily. That's a system that I want. I want that same achievement. So you see what's going on in the buyer's mind, how they're thinking now. So what transformation does that give them? So again, talking about the same thing, network marketing in the course that I created. So here's a transformation. If someone would have told me I would become one of the best teachers, I would have laughed. But in creating my course, it brought talents out of me I didn't know that I had. So see, that's a transformation. I was a person that did not do well in school. Yes, I graduated from college, but I had to teach myself how to study and how to learn when I got to college. Because in high school, I was Miss Social Butterfly. Yeah, I was all about seeing my friends, playing sports, and just doing enough to get by. That's all I cared about. I didn't care about anything else. But then when I got to college and my parents were paying the bill, and I saw how they were sacrificing to send me, that's when I really buckled down and really learned how to study. So for a person like me, that sends them through the transformation. So you need to realize that's part of the Epiphany Bridge story. So you've got to take people through. You've given them the backstory. They're seeing that, okay, this was a person that was not good in school, did not get good grades, and now they're a teacher. So, if you just take a step forward and you just put yourself out there, you don't know what talents you may have and what your true calling may be. You've got to take that step forward to realize that. So see, you want to speak to where people are in their mind. So that's the sales message. You're wanting to show them the achievement that they can have if they buy your course or whatever product you're selling, and then the transformation that they get by doing it. So you want to make sure both of those are included in your message. And again, it's just the Epiphany Bridge story. If you don't have that, I'll put a link in the thing where you can get a copy of the Russell Brunson's books. I think it's in the .com secret book. It may be in Expert Secrets. I'll put a link to both of them, and you can get the book. Just get the trilogy. You got the .com secrets, the Expert Secrets, and the Traffic Secrets. You need all of them. So I'll put that link in the description of this video. So I hope that helped you. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this episode, and hopefully you got some benefit out of it. I'll see you tomorrow.